Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Snapchat Spotlight not showing up. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what I did firstly was that I firstly exited my Snapchat app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page similar to this as you can see. Now in here just scroll down and then click on general in here, then scroll down again and click on storage as you can see, because then you should be taken to this page. Now we're just going to scroll down, click on Snapchat in here, then click on upload app, and once again I clicked on upload app in here myself, and I waited and I clicked on the reinstall app button in here, and I waited for this one to completely load, because now what will happen, you might wonder why do you have to do this, and that's a great question. The reason why we need to do this is because we will now get automatically the absolute newest Snapchat update. And by the way, you should not be able to be logged out of your account. I've done this multiple times, I've never been logged out, so you shouldn't. So basically, when it's done, you can go back into the app and you will get the absolute latest version for Snapchat. And this fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.